chest, fingers flying, making patterns twist. Susie's voice breaking through the haze, crochet forever in a woolly maze.
Hello, how are you? It's Susie with Susie's Crochet Chat, place where we talk about yarn hooks, tips, tricks, everything in between. I don't have a light on in here. It's so sunny out. I can't believe it. We haven't had this kind of sunshine in a long time. I'm happy for it, but it's very cold. I should have looked, but I don't know how cold it is, but the wind chill is making it even colder. Today is Temperature Blanket Friday. Update on the temperature blanket. This thing's going pretty nice. I am not hating on it. And I think because I'm doing a size that's manageable, not too big, where at the end of the day, it's like, I don't want to do that. I have some ends I have to sew in, just a few, but here it is. Here we are. So let me look at these, my color chart, sorry. So we've been in the 50s range, between 50 and 57. We've been in there quite a bit. We've dipped down to the 40s, 42 to 49. But yesterday, it was 41. That was the highest on the 34 to 41 one here. So, you know, we're getting to the colder colors again. So only one time were we at the up to 33 degrees, you know. Just once. So we'll see what today and this week brings. But, you know, that's the update on that. Also, I wanted to tell you, last night, when I went to bed, I was having a hard time sleeping. So I, of course, did what you're not supposed to do and look on my phone. And I play, I do the Wordle, and I did that, and I play some games, and then there's like bonus things like the day, you know, the day of, you do with certain thing, and a daily challenge, I guess it's called. So I did those. And then I thought, oh, you know, let me look on YouTube. Just let me look up some stuff. So I was looking, and I came across Shannon, the Spoony Stitcher, and she was live. And I thought, oh, this is kind of late, but her time zone, you know, it's not so late for her. And she does kind of those kind of times of night, you know. She does lives, and she's crocheting. So I thought, okay, I'm going to just pop over and, you know, say hello, which I did. And if you've never been over to the Spoony Stitchers YouTube channel, you should do that. She's really good. She has lots of things. She has affiliates and things too. And if I can't remember the name of this thing. I watched her the other night. It's a gadget that if you were using two different or multiple strands of yarn, is it a gator? Crochet gator? Something like that. But it has these holes. It opens up, but you put the yarn through and it doesn't get them tangled. Was a really cool thing. But anyway, she has really cool ideas, neat stuff. I love watching her. So she's also in her lives when she's, she was like, hi, Susie. And she said, you can put your link to your YouTube channel on. And I'm like, well, I don't know how to do that. Oh, let me do it. And she did. And I got 2 new subscribers from that. And I really appreciate that. And if you're watching, welcome to our channel here. And I'm happy to have you. And well, anyway, we were talking, all of us on this live. And she was talking about tea. And oh my goodness. So I wanted to say about, and I don't know if I'm saying this right. Is it Rubios or Robios? There's a red, African red tea. And I just love it. It's really good. I love the flavor. To me, it has like a hint of honey. It's, I don't know, it's a little sweet. It's really good. So I wanted to say that. And I don't know how I hit send. And you know how when you're typing something and you're typing the wrong word, they want to, spell check whatever wants to make it their own word. And I ended up saying to her, do you drink garbage? Oh God, garbage. So then we were laughing about garbage. I immediately said, that's not what I meant. But then we were talking more about the teas, but it was kind of funny. And and I don't remember who she said she's having this with, but she's going to be doing a tea time type thing. And she asked me if I wanted to join in, and I said I would. So we might have that to look forward to. It would be kind of fun. But oh my goodness, it was so funny. It was fun last night, just talking with her and the people on her channel. It was a nice time. I like doing that. It's hard in the nighttime because I'm only on my phone. I think that in the daytime, you could be on a tablet or something else, so you could look up stuff and, do it more and answer on a live more so than just on, like, your phone. Does that make any sense? I hope it does. Anyway, yeah. My son is coming down this weekend. We're gonna, they're celebrating Katie's birthday, my daughter's birthday again. We're gonna, I'm starting to feel better. I'm so glad. I'm not overdoing it or anything like that, that's for sure. So I will see him. He's coming down this morning. He's going to go to her house, stay at her house, and I'll see them tomorrow. So it should be fun. Anyway, that's all I have for today. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for subscribing, sticking with me. I love the comments. I really do, because I love the back and forth that we get to do. And also, there is that community page. You can post pictures and things like that. And I also have Facebook page, Susie's Crochet Chat. And then you can post things on there too. So if you haven't already, like and subscribe. I really appreciate every one of you. I hope you have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you again soon. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.
Midnight oil burning stitches remain, whispering threads holding back the strain. Susie's voice guiding, I'll never quit. Pattern's rough, but it's got heart.